Hello everyone, welcome to Galgotia's News Network. I'm your host Shweta Bhandari, bringing you the latest headline, campus buzz and beyond. Honorable Chancellor Mr. Sunil Galgotia welcomes UP Chief Minister Shri Yogi Adityanath at Amar Ujala Samvad. Mr. Ramanan Ramanathan inspires future entrepreneurs at Galgotia's University. IEEE hosts International Conference on Computing, Power and Communication Technologies. Galgotia's University's Yogasan trio selected for National Team Coaching Camp. Powerlifter from Galgotia's University wins gold and silver at State Championship. Galgotia's University signs an MOU with SS Rana and Company. Posh awareness drive empowers law students at Galgotia's University. Faculty members from Galgotia's University honored for research excellence. Law firm Pawan Duggal Associates picks Galgotia's University's talent. Honorable Chancellor Mr. Sunil Galgotia warmly welcomed Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath on the stage of Amar Ujala Samvad held in Lucknow.
Galgotia's University was the presenting partner of Amar Ujala Samvad. The event focused on discussion on Viksit Bharat 2047.
Galgotia's University hosted an interactive session featuring Mr. Ramanan Ramanathan, First Mission Director, Atal Innovation Mission, Niti Aayog, and Mission Governing Board Member, India AI Mission, Government of India.
Mr. Ramanan Ramanathan interacted with the students, encouraging them to explore technology-driven ideas for India's future. He also toured the campus and appreciated the educational ecosystem.
IEEE hosted IC2PCT 2026 to promote global innovation dialogue.
Galgotia's University hosted the grand inauguration of the IEEE 6th International Conference on Computing, Power and Communication Technologies 2026. Opening session led by Chief Guest Dr. Sudhindra Kaushik.
Students from Galgotia's University were selected for the National Team Coaching Camp ahead of the World Yogasan Sports Championship 2026.
Representing Galgotia's University in Yoga, Deepa and Riya from BA Honours English and Ritu from BA Honours Economics were selected for the coaching camp in categories including supine, twisting body and traditional events.
Galgotia's University athlete Priyanshi Kataria won gold and silver medals at a state level championship.
At the Haryana State Powerlifting Championship 2026, she won gold in the 69 kg junior category and a silver in the senior category.
Expanding its industry collaboration in legal education, Galgotia's University has signed an MOU with SS Rana and Company, a leading Indian IP law firm.
The ceremony featured a special lecture on career and intellectual property rights and was attended by Mr. Vikrant Rana, managing partner at SS Rana and Company. During his address, he highlighted the emerging career opportunities in the field of IPR.
Galgotia's University organized a session on gender sensitization and posh awareness led by corporate expert Aarti Jain.
A certified POSH trainer, Ms. Aarti Jain, educated students about the historical evolution of the POSH Act. The highlights were the role of the internal committee, the 90-day inquiry process, and the distinction between quid pro quo and the hostile work environment.
Galgotia's University researcher Dr. Anjali Gupta and Dr. Divya Tripathi were honored by Wiley for publishing a top-viewed article 2025 in prestigious journal Chemistry Select.
Their article titled Types, Properties and Application of Switchable Solvents, a review, published on August 22, 2024, has been recognized by Wiley. The research highlights how switchable solvents can make chemical processes more eco-friendly, cost-effective and sustainable.
Two students from Galgotia's University School of Law secured junior associate position at Pawan Duggal Associates.
Shivam Patel from LLM and Vedant Pathak from BA LLB were selected by the prestigious law firm.
And that's a wrap from JNN. Until next time, stay away and stay connected.